One sneeze. Then another. The pack decides to hunt. African wild dogs live in tightly bonded packs. Before every hunt, they hold a vote, using sneezes to build consensus on whether to go at all. If the dominant pair calls for the hunt, it barely takes any sneezes to get the pack moving. But if a subordinate dog wants to lead, the pack demands far more sneezes, basically a supermajority, before anyone leaves the resting site to take on the risk of the chase. It's real democracy, just with sneezes instead of ballots. Every hunt starts with a sneeze count. Subscribe for more animal politics.